station. So this is a long bag, so it like slaps around. So I'll be able to, because I want to keep track of the brand, which I just did one. I just did a chicken. It was really cute. I did it on glitter vinyl. So, and look at all of that. Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to a quick, well, hopefully it's fairly quick, but it's just going to be an Amazon Craftroom haul with some different things I got for organization and to try and make our life a little bit easier in the craft room. So let's get to it. Okay, so one of the things that I got is this Teckwrap vinyl storage. So my ideal craft room, because I've dabbled in everything, I am just going to focus on 3 areas right now, and that's going to be card making, because that's where I started and that's what I love, and I haven't had a chance to really get back into that too much. Shipping, because I do ship out a lot of stuff. I got my little side hustle going on, so I want a little area where I just have all my boxes and my bags and everything I need for that. And then currently where I kind of stopped for now is the HTV and vinyl crafts. So I'm probably going to be having some destashes coming up. You know, in between all of that, I was very into the paper crafts and the Happy Mail and that, but I've gotten away from all that, and I really haven't had a desire to get back into that, even though I did love it at the time, absolutely. So we're focusing on how to organize those 3 areas of the craft room: card making, HTV and vinyl, and my little shipping station. So this is a long bag. And on that side, all right, so on the one side it has pockets, and these pockets are pretty deep. So I guess you could store like single sheets in there. And then the other side has these elastic bands. So I currently have all of my vinyl and such in the plastic. You know, you can get them from Michael's. They're plastic. They almost look like the soda can holders. And then you throw them in. So they each hold 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I have one that holds some vinyl. I have one that holds some HTV, but now I'm overflowing with colors. So I just want to kind of do all maybe the vinyl in the other storage because I don't have as much. And then the HTV in this storage. So what'll happen is they'll just sit in here like this. Well, if I put them in the right thing. And then I can put them by color, and I think that that'll look really nice. And then I can hang that on the wall, right? And there's quite a few spots here. I forget how many, but it will definitely hold everything that I have right now for heat transfer vinyl. Okay, so sticking on that path to organize all our vinyls, I did buy this set of these slap bracelets off Amazon. We get 50 of them, I believe. 50, I think 50. So my idea for these, and I've seen plenty of other crafters use them. I'm going to label them, maybe with, you know, like my label maker, and then it will just kind of, maybe this way. Okay, so like that. So it like slaps around. So I'll be able to, because I want to keep track of the brand that it is. I do buy a lot of my vinyls and my HTVs off of Amazon. I mean, I'm loving Teckwrap right now. Cricut's great, and HTV Ront is really good. But I do get some off brands, and I would like to be able to keep track of where they came from. And I would like to, you know, if it's a puff vinyl, if it's, you know, a puff vinyl, or there's a couple other kinds of vinyl. All right, so we're going to be using those. And then the other few things I got aren't so much storage, just I've been using these work lion mats for the Cricut. This is a 3-pack, and it comes with, it should come with the strong, the low tack, and the strong, low tack, and standard. What I did do, since I already had a pack of those, I took my Cricut mat. I might change this up, but I took my Cricut mat and then the light grip work lion, and I did this. If you can see over here, I taped them together so that I have a 24-inch pad for cutting. Isn't that great? Okay. And then from Teckwrap, I got this weeding pin pen. which is really pretty. I think it's like pink and sparkly and all that. And then it does come out and it is just this little, oh, tiny pinprick for our more intricate weeding. Which I just did one. I just did a chicken. It was really cute. I did on glitter vinyl. Kind of a pain, but I have a light board that kind of helps as you're weeding it out. And I just posted that that reel and that short and whatever. I like fast forwarded it to down to a minute. It probably took me all together maybe half hour 40 to do. I also have one of these, and this will be for the card making. It's just like a waxy tip that helps pick up your rhinestones and your little gems that you might want to put. And then it also has this point here. I'm not exactly sure what that's for, but again, maybe just making holes and picking. And then the last thing I got was this Teckwrap transfer paper. I got this off of Amazon. Guys, the roll is huge. I did use it and it worked okay, but I was working on a job that I was working very quickly. It says it's a low tack. The only thing is it does not have any kind of lines or grids or anything like that. And it's almost like a contact paper look to it. It's not crystal clear. Let me see if I just peel a little bit off here. Okay, so see, it's not crystal clear, you know, but it is definitely see-through. I did see that they have a, what's it called? Transfer paper with grids. So I will probably get that one as well. Sometimes we don't really need the grid, and sometimes we do. So, and look at all of that you get on here. I think I paid, it was less than, I don't know, I want to say around $15. I'll post it down below. And I think that's it. I have something else that I'm working on that I bought a couple of things for, but it's just not working out the way I wanted it to. So I will come back on and show you that. But for now, that's my haul, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.